Hey, this is Irene and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make taco. Taco actually is a Norwegian food that is not Norwegian, but we eat it a lot in Norway, that we even have days where we say fredagstaco. And what I love about this taco is that you get children to eat more vegetables. So we are going to make a simple taco and I have tips. So our dinner is ready and everybody's gonna serve.
Taco is one of my favorites.
Really? Get your plate and put on there.
Okay.
This taco is that you get children to eat more vegetables. So we are going to make a simple taco and I have tips. We've tested all these things I'm talking about. We've tried the taco with the chicken meat. And we've tried the beef, minced meat as well. We've tried the Norwegian salmon, that is also amazing. We've tried the mushroom. So if you're a vegetarian and you want to eat taco, try mushroom because they are amazing. It's the same process. So I'm gonna take you and we make taco, and today we are making taco with beef. And maybe next time I may make the mushroom, and it's really nice because you get children to eat a lot of vegetables. We have a 3-rule vegetable rule that at least you have to have 3 vegetables you like, and my children love the vegetables. They get to choose, you know, sometimes it's not easy as a parent to get kids to eat vegetables. And right now I'm going to make taco. Actually it's mainly my husband who makes it, but I know how to make it, so let me show you. And I remember I made it in Uganda. And this is interesting. I must share this story with you because what happened was that the word taco in Uganda is a little bit like vulgar word for your behind, your butt. And so I wanted to make it for my parents because it's really nice. All we had to take is the taco spices. And I didn't know how I'm going to tell my family about this amazing food, so I had to improvise. And so I didn't say exactly taco, but I told them the food. But with the time, they found out because my brother, one of my brother, loves it. And he told me, Irene, send me the spices. Every time I told him, I'm coming to you, and I would say, what should I bring for you? He would say, don't forget the spices for the other food. And then I sent spices, and then he saw the word. And then he said, Irene, why didn't you say that? This taco food is, you know. So that's how he found out. But the good thing about taco is that you can make it anywhere you go. In Uganda, what I used to make, we didn't have the tortillas, the lafsa. So we used to make from chapati, and it was amazing. And that sauce, you just make it. Yeah, today is Friday, and now it is a tradition of making taco. So normally what we do, you buy minced meat and you put it in. You can put some oil or butter, but we can do without. So this is making like a kilo. I'm going to make a kilo. I've put on, and then I put on 3. And I have my taco kiridet, the spices. And in this one I use 1.5. It's almost a kilo, 400 plus 400, yeah, almost a kilo, 800 grams. And then I put 1.5. So I'm going to put 1.5 here. I want only this casserole. So I put 1.5 of the spices. That's 1.5. And then I put almost a liter of water. There are different ways of doing it, but I put a liter of water, and I will I'm going to leave it for like 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. And I'm going to stir it up. So let me get this. And meanwhile, as this one is going to get ready, I'm going to make our vegetables. So I'm cutting, I've just made the salads, and I have tomatoes here, and I have onions, and I have cheese, which I've cut into small pieces, and then I'm going to make the cucumber. I'm coming, darling. My son is sick. I have to attend him. So I'll make this one, and then... So I'm cutting the cucumber. We have a rule, like at least have 3 vegetables. Eat 3 vegetables in my family. And we get that one we know kids love. But you can use as many vegetables as you have. I remember in Uganda, I made taco. And in Uganda, by the way, in Uganda, that's a different word altogether. But I made this one, and we didn't have, we had the different vegetables. You can even have beans. You can even have avocado. And we, instead of the lafsa, what is the name, the English name of lafsa? Tortillas, I think that's what they call them. We used chapati, and then we used this one, and so this is it basically for us today. We have what else? I think I can get some beans, but this is it, because kids, if you have kids, at least kids will eat. We have also maize, so if you can buy the one in tin, or you can buy maize and make it, cook it or something like that. At least my kids, they love tomatoes and cucumber and maize. So we have a rule, like at least have 3 vegetables, and onions are very important. And then we are going to have romme and sour cream, and we'll be almost ready to eat our dinner. Now, as you see, the point is that this water reduces, and as it reduces, the water and the minced meat will, I mean the spices and the minced meat will give that beautiful taste and aroma. The good thing about this food, taco, is that you get kids to eat vegetables and they can choose what they want. And me, one thing, I always use what I have. If I don't have one thing, it doesn't mean I'll not continue with another. So, for example, this is sour cream, and this one is the taco sauce, but this one you can make it. I remember in Uganda we made it ourselves. There are tomatoes and onions and paprika. Sometimes they also have green or red or yellow paprika. I think that's the English word as well, paprika. Those big peppers, and this one you can make it yourself. Last time when I made it in Uganda, we had we made the tomatoes and onions and pili, like chili, and we had vitlock, garlic, and you just black pepper, and you make kind of heavy sauce, and you are good to go. And this and the salad, and my favorite actually, the meat and the salad. And then me, I also put a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt on the greens, a little bit here and here. And if you have kids, you put just very, very little. And the cheese. So as you see, it's really reducing. The water has to reduce, and soon our taco is gonna be ready. So the water has reduced, and the smell is amazing. The aroma is really something else, I'm telling you. You feel like you wanna eat tacos. I'm gonna put this one in. So I'm gonna actually start serving. From these tortillas, you can warm them in the microwave or in the oven. You see, they look like chapati, if you know chapati. So if you don't have in your country, you can just make chapati. And then we're gonna put everything here and then roll it. You put as much as you want. And in my family, normally we put a lot on one. So normally I eat 2 and I'm so done. But some people, they put little and then they may eat maybe like 4 of these ones. Anyway, you decide how you want it. So let's warm this one. So our dinner is ready and everybody's gonna serve.
Taco is one of my favorites.
Really? Get your plate and put on there.
Okay.
So as my son is doing, oh, that's a lot, darling. Okay. Okay, try and see.
I know.
So you put on a little bit of we put on a little bit of everything.
Look, mommy, look what I can do.
Yeah. So what else are you going to put on? You don't like this. Okay.
Like this.
Okay. And the tomatoes?
Yes, I love them.
You need more tomatoes, I think. Okay. Here are the maize. And what is your favorite thing on taco?
I like the shells.
The favorite thing on your taco plate?
It's,
Cheese or the maize or the...
I like the maize, the cheese,
Yeah.
and the meat.
Yeah, that's true. So there you don't like, he doesn't like this and they don't like this. But adults, I'm gonna make my taco and you're gonna say, you don't like that. But at least you have 3 vegetables, right?
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Okay.
So I put this and then I get some, I put, it doesn't matter how you put it on, what comes first or what, but me, I like it like this.
I like the cheese on top.
You like the cheese on top? Okay. And then I have my cheese maybe so that they melt.
Mommy, can I start to eat my food, please?
Yes, you can, please. And then I have my tomatoes. And I have my onions. Sometimes you can have red onions. And then what else? I have my cheese a little bit. You see, mine is big. So when I tell you I eat 2 and I'm done, some people they put so little, but me I put 2. And the sour cream helps. If at all this one is not medium, you have the sauce, you have to medium or hot. We normally take medium, but if you want, you can also have hot.
Mommy, can I go bring me a drink?
Yeah, you can go and get a glass of water. And we normally drink with water, and then so like it is here, and I roll it and good to go. So let me show you here. I kind of fold it like this, and this is my taco. And another thing, make sure you have a serviette. So our taco is amazing and was delicious. So I hope you enjoyed taco with me, or you get inspired to make taco. And I'm going to, next time I'll make something that is typical Norwegian, I think. And if you have any question or you have something you want me to make for you, let me know. And thank you for watching. Take care, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Bye.